In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML to Squarespace. This process is straightforward and can be incredibly useful for customizing your website just the way you want it. Whether you want to add a special widget, embed some dynamic content, or simply tweak the aesthetic feel of your site, HTML gives you that extra level of control and flexibility. First, head over to the specific page within your Squarespace site where you wish to introduce the HTML code. It could be your home page, a blog post, or any other page where you'd like to make these custom adjustments. It's important to have a clear idea of where you want to place new elements so that your website maintains its design flow and coherence. Once you're on the desired page, you'll want to click on the Edit button. This will allow you to enter the page editor mode. In this mode, you have a range of options to customize your page content. Being in edit mode is essential because it gives you direct access to all the features you need to modify your page. Next, look for the little plus icon, which you'll find somewhere on the page. This icon lets you add a new block into your page layout. Think of blocks as little containers through which you can add or modify content. When you click this icon, a menu of block options will appear in front of you. From this menu, you should select the option labeled Code. This is the placeholder where you will input your HTML. Now that you have a new code block added, it's time to paste your HTML code into this block. Take your time here. Make sure the code you've prepared is exactly what you need because how it appears on your site depends on accuracy. Review the HTML to ensure there are no errors, as even a small mistake can prevent your code from displaying correctly. With your code pasted in, you'll see an Apply button. Go ahead and click on it. This action confirms your changes within the code block, making sure everything is correctly in place before you finalize your modifications. Remember, this step is crucial for ensuring that what you've added appears as intended. Finally, after applying the changes, don't forget to hit Save. This step publishes the modifications you've made on your site, making them visible to all visitors. A quick tip. It's always a good idea to view the live page after you save, just to confirm everything looks and functions as planned. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added HTML to your Squarespace page. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have more questions or need further assistance, feel free to look through other content for additional support. Happy customizing!